How to recover my Shopee account. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to recover my Shopee account. Start by opening your web browser. In the search bar, type in shopee.co.id and hit enter. Once you're on the Shopee website, look for the profile icon located in the top right corner. Give it a tap. From there, you will see the option to forget your account. Go ahead and tap on that. Now, you will need to enter your phone number and the code that you receive. After entering the code and your number, you should be able to recover your account. Once you've successfully reset your password, you can log into your Shopee account using your phone number and the new password. If you don't have access to the email associated with your Shopee account, it's crucial to ensure your phone number is up to date in your account information. This is because Shopee will use your phone number to verify your identity and send you the password reset code. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.